Today we're going to look at improper fractions and mixed numbers and converting back and forth between the two. So what we're going to do first is review what improper fractions and mixed numbers are. Improper fractions have numerators larger than their denominators. They have a value that's greater than 1. So if we take a look over here at our example, we have 8/6. The numerator 8 is larger than the denominator 6, making it an improper fraction. Mixed numbers are values with a whole number and a fraction. So the example we have over here is 3 1/2. We have a whole number 3 and then a fraction 1/2. So the two of them together make a mixed number. First, we're going to look at converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. And we do that by completing the following steps. You multiply the whole number and the denominator. You add the numerator to the product from step 1. This becomes the new numerator, and then the denominator stays the same. So we're going to complete this example here, 6 2/8. We're going to take that mixed number and convert it to an improper fraction. So what we do is we take 6 and we multiply it by the denominator, 8, and that gets us 48. Then we take this product and we add it to the numerator. That's going to get us a value of 50. So when we rewrite this as an improper fraction, the value that we just found, which is 50, becomes the new numerator, and then the denominator, 8, stays the same. If we look, 50 and 8 have a common factor of 2, so we can simplify this to 25/4. So 6 2/8 as a simplified improper fraction would be 25/4. Next, we're going to look at converting an improper fraction to a mixed number. To do that, we complete the following steps. We set up a division problem to divide the numerator by the denominator. The numerator always goes on the inside, while the denominator always goes on the outside. The whole number answer becomes the whole number. The remainder that we find becomes the numerator, and then the denominator is going to stay the same. So we're going to look at 13/4, which is an improper fraction. We're going to set up our division problem. 13, which is the numerator, is the number that always goes on the inside, and the denominator 4 goes on the outside. So now we divide. 4 goes into 13 3 times, and then we get a product of 12. When we subtract these, we have 1 left over. Now there's no more division to be done, so what we do is we take a look at the number we have up here, which is 3. That becomes the whole number. The remainder that we found becomes the numerator, and then the denominator 4 stays the same. So 13/4 as a mixed number is 3 1/4. Now we're going to continue practicing with these two examples. Make sure that you copy them down on separate paper. We will collect these and grade them as a homework assignment. Here we have the improper fraction 16/3. So to change an improper fraction to a mixed number, we have to set up the division problem. So we have 16 as the numerator, that goes on the inside. The denominator 3 goes outside. 3 goes into 16 5 times. 3 times 5 gets us a product of 15. We have 1 left over. Okay. So now there's no more division to be done, so we take the number we found at the top. That's going to give us our whole number. The remainder gives us the numerator, and then the denominator stays the same. So 16/3 as a mixed number is 5 1/3. Now we're going to take this mixed number, 3 2/5, and convert it to an improper fraction. So we take 3 and we multiply it by the denominator 5. That gets us 15. We take this value and we add it to the numerator. So 15 plus 2 will get us a numerator of 17, and the denominator, 5, stays the same. So 3 and 2/5 as an improper fraction is 17/5. Next, you're going to copy down these two examples, convert 4 and 1/7, that mixed number, to an improper fraction, and then take the improper fraction 17/5 and convert it to a mixed number.